How to promote your NFT Discord server. Easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to promote your NFT Discord server easily. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open discord.com and you will get right here. Discord is a famous platform, and when it comes to NFT community, Discord is an important part of it. You can create your own Discord server for your NFT project or a collection and then add different members. Discord server really helps you to promote your NFT collection and your project. All of the famous projects and collection have their own NFT Discord servers. Now, if you have created a server on Discord and you have an NFT server now, you might be wondering how to actually promote it and how to get members to your Discord server. That's what I will tell you today, where to promote your Discord server, and the ways I will tell you about are going to be completely free. So let's get into it. The first way you can promote your NFT Discord server is going to be through your NFT project on an NFT marketplace. You can go to OpenSea or Rarible, whatever platform you go for. I personally use OpenSea.io, which is world's first and largest NFT marketplace. On OpenSea, we can mint NFTs and we can promote our collection as well. How do we promote our NFT Discord server on OpenSea? Well, if I open up one of the collection, I will be able to show you that OpenSea allows you to add your Discord server on your collection on OpenSea. For example, this is one of the NFT collections right now, which is at the top, and you can see it's a very famous collection, verified, and this is the Discord server of this NFT project. So this is their first way to promote it. Whenever someone will check out their NFT collection on OpenSea, they can also access their Discord. So this is the easiest way to promote your Discord server, an NFT Discord server, through the main platform itself from OpenSea and through your main collection. So you will just add the Discord. For example, if I click on it, it will actually show me the invite link for the server, and I will be able to join the server of this NFT project right here. So this is the invite link. You can see there are more than 27,000 members. Click on accept invite and you will be able to join the Discord of the NFT collection. How to add the Discord on OpenSea? It's actually really easy. Once you create your collection, I will open up my collection to show you guys. Once you create a collection, you can also add the Discord server. So if I click on edit, you can see edit my collection. And here I have added all the details, and you can see we have social connection where we have Discord. So this is where you will be adding your Discord link on your OpenSea to promote your NFT Discord server. You can add it and it will be added as I showed you on a collection. So this is the first way to promote your NFT Discord server. The next way you can promote your NFT Discord server is going to be through a website. Just like CryptoPunks, if you have a website, any platform you are using or any collection, you can create a website for it. For example, I have opened up larvalabs.com. It's a website and you can see it is for CryptoPunks, a very famous NFT collection, Pixel NFT. And you can see we have a website here. So website is another way to promote your Discord server for free. On the website, you can add the Discord server. You can see right here, they have added the Discord server here. So if I click on it, you can see Hangout on our Discord. Discord is an important part when it comes to NFT community. And if you have a website, if you have a collection on OpenSea, you can just add Discord. So you can see this is another way to promote your Discord server for free. You can see they have promoted it here on their website. And that's what you can also do. Create a website, and if you already have a website of your project or a collection of your NFTs, then go ahead and add your Discord right now on your website so that you can promote it for free, and it's going to be the most professional way, and you can promote it on your website, or maybe you can promote on another website, a company's website or a creator's website. You just need to promote it for free on a website just like this. and you will get more members to your Discord server. Another way to promote your NFT Discord server is going to be through Twitter. Same as Discord, Twitter is also really active when it comes to crypto and NFTs. We can promote our collection and we can promote our Discord on Twitter. Let me show you how we do that. If I open up one of the Twitter accounts for an NFT collection, Cool Cats, I will be able to show you that they have added the Discord server in the bio right here. And that's what we need to do as well. Every NFT collection has a Twitter account, and on your Twitter account, you will add the Discord link. You can see right here. This is it in the bio. Just add the Discord link, because if there are members on Twitter, people active on Twitter, and they check out their collection, they check out your account, they will join your Discord server as well. So you don't need to do anything, just add your Discord right here on your Twitter. Another way to actually promote your NFT Discord server on your Twitter is by creating giveaways. And when we create giveaways on Discord and we have all the information there, we tell people that we have a Discord group that they need to join, and then they will be the part of the giveaway. So that way you can also promote your server, and this way you will be able to actually engage more people towards your server, and you will get more and more members. So every collection has Discord in their bio. For example, let's open this one up, which is the Meta Passport, and you can see they also have their Discord server here, this collection. Similarly, there are other collections that have, all of the collections will have a Discord right here in the bio, and that's what you need to do, because Twitter has millions of users and you will be able to engage more users toward your NFT server if you add the link in the bio, and it's completely free. Last but not the least, and the way you can promote your NFT Discord server is going to be through Disboard.org. Disboard.org is a platform that allows you to discover more NFT servers, and here people actually promote their NFT servers, and it has all the servers that are created on Discord. So what you can do is, you can see we have different categories here, and in categories we also have NFT. Or you can search for NFT right here. You can see there are more than 50,000 NFT servers, and this is where we explore more NFT servers on Discord. So you can see right here that I can promote my Discord server right here on Discord, just like this. And if someone is looking for an NFT server, then they will be able to check it out here, just like this. You can see this is like not a famous collection, but they have the server here, and now I can join this server too. So this is another way to promote your NFT server. It is very easy method. Just log in with Discord. You can log in with your Discord server, with your Discord account, and you will be able to promote your NFT server right here. If you have giveaway servers, art NFTs, you have gaming NFTs, anything you have like tokens, you can just, whatever server you have, you can promote it with Discord, and people will discover it here and join your NFT Discord server. This way you can promote the server for free, and you will be able to get the members you want. You will have an active community, and it will help you grow your project and collection that you have created. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, or leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.